Hi children, how are you all? I hope you are doing good. Today we are going to do the revision part of everything that we have completed. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Collective noun. Collective noun. Children, I think you know the meaning of collective noun. So what is a collective noun? A collective noun is a word that we use for group of animals, group of people, group of things. Okay? A collective noun is used for a group of animals, group of birds, group of things. Okay? That is called collective noun. Yes. I know children that you already know this meaning. Okay? So, now I will write some examples. I love my family. I love my family. So, what is the collective noun here? Yes, I love in this sentence, family is the collective noun. Okay? Collective noun. Why? Because group of people in a house. Okay? In a house. So, family means brother, sister, mother, okay, father, all these people are family. Okay, I love my family. Family means group of people in a family, in a house. Okay, another example. So this is the another example. I saw a swarm of butterflies. Okay, so what is the collective noun here? Yes, a swarm of. Swamp. Swamp is the collective noun. Okay? Swamp is collective noun. So you know the meaning of a collective noun, right? Yes. Collective noun are the words used for a group of animals, a group of people, and a group of things. Okay? I saw a flock of birds. I saw a flock of birds flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. So this is one of the example. I saw a flock of birds flying in the sky. So what is the collective noun here? See, what is the collective noun here? Yes. Flock is the collective noun. Okay? I saw a flock of birds flying in the sky. One more example. I gave him a bunch of flowers. I gave him a bunch of flowers. Bunch here, a collective noun. So bunch of flowers means so many flowers in a bunch. Okay? So you can see a bunch. Okay? I gave him a bunch of flowers. Okay? So one more example. So, I met the army at the border. Okay? I met the army at the border. So, what is the collective noun here? Yes, army. So, army is the collective noun. Okay, children. I already know that you have revised everything I have sent you in the video forms. Okay? You have already completed this part. Today we are just doing the revision part. Okay? Our other topic is noun phrase. So what is a noun phrase? Noun phrase is a group of words which does the work of a noun. Noun phrase is a group of words which does the work of a noun. Yes, a noun phrase is a group of words which does the work of a noun. Okay, a noun phrase is a group of words which does the work of a noun. Okay, we already know what is noun phrase. Okay, so we are going to see the examples of noun phrases. Okay, we are going to see some examples of noun phrases. You already know what a phrase is. Okay, you already know what a phrase is. What is a phrase? Meaningless part. Meaningless part. For example, phrase. Okay, in the morning. So what is that in the morning? Is there a meaning? So phrase means meaningless. You can see some words but they are meaningless. Okay, in the morning. In the meaning what? So it is incomplete. Okay, but in the same way, in the kitchen. So in the kitchen. So what is in the kitchen? So no information. Okay, which means meaningless, senseless. Okay, when this part has the main part, then the sentence will have complete meaning. Okay, for example, I wake up early in the morning. Early in the morning. So without this part. Okay? So without the main class. So this is called main class. Class means there will be meaning. There is a meaning in that. Phrase means there is no complete meaning in that. Okay? If it is a class, there is a complete meaning. But if it is a phrase, there will be no complete meaning. Okay? I wake up early. Okay? In the morning. For example, without this part, this is meaningless. Without this part, okay, without this part, this is meaningless. So this is called phrase. Okay, as it is saying about a noun, okay, or pronoun, it is a noun phrase. So what is a noun phrase here? What is a noun phrase here? In the morning is a noun phrase. Okay? So I saw him in the kitchen. I saw him in the kitchen. So what is a noun phrase? Okay? Without this part, this is meaningless. In the kitchen. So what is in the kitchen? What? Where? Why? Who? Like that. You have to ask him. Ask like that. Okay? In the kitchen. So in the kitchen is a noun phrase. Is a noun phrase. Okay? One more example. I enjoy Playing tennis. You know the answer of this? There will be no wrong. I believe that you will never give a wrong answer, okay? Yes, because as it is in your textbook, you will give a correct, proper answer, okay? Playing tennis. Yes, playing tennis is the noun phrase. Okay? Playing tennis is the noun phrase. Okay, children, we have completed the revision part of collective nouns and noun phrases. Okay? I hope that you will do better in your OT exam. Okay? You have to get good marks in your OT exam. Thank you.